Post ka ng post pero konti pa rin ang customers. Attend ka ng attend ng seminars. Bili ka ng bili ng courses left and right. Pero pag uwi sa bahay, back to the same old, same old. Walang changes, walang momentum. Naku anak, ang problema natin is not the lack of effort. It is the lack of a system. Content creation, para lang yan pumupunta sa gym. Alam natin kailangan nito, pero doing it alone is so hard to sustain, di ba? Now, I may be the boomer among the younger gens here, pero trust me on this. Kung gusto natin ng content that really brings us sales, sama-sama tayo sa Kraken Challenge. Hindi ito course where you just sit and watch. It's a 45-day guided execution para sa business owners na tulad natin na sawa ng mag-isa. This is a high accountability content execution with coaching, feedback loops, and a competitive community designed to help you and me hit the 1 million views and drive sales fast. Plus, may chance pa tayong manalo ng prizes as the Kraken Champion. You already have what it takes, anak. All you need is the right system and community. This is built by my mentor, Real Talk Darbs, who understands the struggle ng mga business owners na gusto ng content that actually converts. Hindi ito theory lang. Real execution, real accountability, real results. The Kraken Challenge starts on August 31, 2025. Remote, via Zoom lang, so kahit na nasaan ka pa. Kung pakiramdam mo ay nag-iisa ka at gusto mo ng community na magsusupport sa'yo, nako anak, join ka na rin sa The Kraken Challenge now. It's time your content starts working as hard as you do. Tara, classmate na tayo sa Kraken Challenge.